I warmly welcome our distinguished guests, proud families, esteemed officials, and most especially our oath takers. Your presence makes this celebration even more meaningful. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall begin calling the names of our oath takers. Each name that will be called represents dedication, perseverance, and a deep sense of purpose. As your name is called, kindly rise from your seat and remain standing to prepare ourselves for the procession. Let me repeat, as your name is called, kindly rise from your seat and remain standing to prepare ourselves for the procession. Let us start off with Mr. Habanera Norman Bryce Lavella. A round of applause, please. Abbas Alnor Abbas. Abbas Esmina Malakwit. Abdul Nurhan Gawan. Abdulaziz Abdulhaq Ali Muhammad. Abisha Karina May. Abelia Benz Lorbian Aklan. Abelinosa Juana Marie Mario. Abelia Marie Angeline Paco. Ako Jopay Pingan. Adrales Isabella Margaret Sahon. Agnes Ira Villa Jaramillo. Aguilar Maria Joyce Terry. Aguinaldo Lady Gwyneth Terry. Alabat Adzar Usman. Alapayan Reggie Jr. Hombre Bueno. Alicante Hans Lusdo. Aligado Charles Adrian M. Pases. Alimon Giselle May Sala. Aliena Maria Aubrey Alias. Almeda Natasha. Bahar by Hassan Akbar. Bajala Alexandria Ramos. Bagiting Andre Faith Furwa. Baligieso Harlan Menambos. Baliga Julia Sofia Garcia. Balina Shane Shadalin Curita. Baliara Jen Alexis Reyes. Bala Dora Joyce Alvarez. Bakyal Audrey Malrosa. Vargas Melissa Romero. Barreto Xavier Lance Roda. Baroga Maria Nadine Chavez. Borte Aldrin John Montenegro. Batuan Pamela Forges. Bongo Maria Eliza Giolina. Baisa Gladys Angel Kanda. Belves Ruben. Thomas III Alvar. Benito Ruela Nevi Bersada. Benito Ulysses Ayo. Bersabe J. Kylie Guerrero. Barcelona Joshua Ray Acario. Bertulfo Gisrel Bernaso.